Lawyer, and then also there's this famous word more usually in the law court. Me na me can we be an anti-sadar man no boy say you tamper justice with mercy. We better say oh so in the image now where you use dia adena cause we have ground up chale omo say council na chere omo what to do. E dey be our council na catch say they were using the image na underground up ne dia e be yen holding on liable and say holding accountable for using that image. In this case, can't we temper mercy with justice in any way? As in, the artist ninya ni image need to use for their personal works as
no,
indicating.
Okay, I image the obetimi photo studio if it's just his image that he wants to use that. He shouldn't cry out and say the picture be tamana more Opemsuo on my BBC still and I'm me call for Opemsuo picture now me try and no it doesn't work like that.
Oh, okay.
You get it. And investment and an make it. Whereas those particular pictures no person use now. Anybody that has followed ground up knows that tamana Kwesi brand no. And pictures that they invested in one of his albums, Son of Jacob.
Yeah.
Into picture and it brings their mind back to the Son of Jacob track. No?
Yeah.
So their point is that then why do you want to come and then sniper around investments that we have made for personal gain, even though you don't work with me?
Yeah.
You get it. And I always say, music industry, no, it's a talent, money, and a strategy. Talent me about 30%. Sika become 50. It is the strategy now 50% no, and then business development room, marketing room, promotion room, and that is what takes a chunk of the investment money.
Yeah.
Because one will be a sign contractor, also pay nipa or nimdi a define or niche area or brand identity or brand projections. That goes into the 50%. And for anybody to say temper justice with mercy, I cannot boy as one called the Nekako. It is also used on Quadia. And the minute say you have to pay $150,000. Then can say to you, so I can now to photograph a no child picture. The fire the episode.